Chevrolet Silverado 1500 short bed installation. So, first step, you want to install your sides so they go adjacent to that final rib in your tub. The end of the side with the handle is closest to the tailgate. Just want to place them there. You can just lean up against the wheel arch whilst we get ready for the barrier. Then for this first barrier, if we're installing it close, I'd generally close the tailgate and then jump up on that first step near the tailgate and then pick up the divider from there. So yeah, you want to pick up your divider. I sort of just rest it on top of the sides and make sure everything's square. And then once everything's square, you just want to push down firmly and evenly, and in she goes. To remove, you want to lift up evenly, and then to reinstall again, find your desired slots, make sure everything's square, angle back in and push down evenly, and in it goes. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Super solid once it's in and the tailgate's closed. Yeah, check it out. The side. Yeah, so how this works is basically the sides are a little bit longer than the tailgate. So when we close the tailgate, everything sort of firms up with that slight bowing action. Same thing again. Make sure it's square, angle in, push down evenly. Perfect.